Okay, so I have a bunch of these Dells. This one's a 30 or 8400, and it's Intel. Looks like Pentium 4. Anyway, I have some of these video cards that came out of it. I'm trying to sell. And Vita Quadro FX, and some of these hard drives. This is a 40 gig. Probably has Windows XP on it for this Dell. You might be able to make work. And I also have RAM for this particular. This is 512, so there's a gig. They were stuffed with a gig of RAM each, and these hard drives were 40 gig hard drives. And so I'm selling these parts. Here's a Wi-Fi card for that computer, and if you're interested in any of that stuff, and I also have the power supplies for them. These are the official Dell power supplies. It's a model L350P00, part number G4265, 350 watts. And then I have the power supply for the smaller Dells. It's going to be the model number PS561-1D1. And 160 watts output. So anyway, I'm selling this stuff. If you're interested, contact me at applianceworks@yahoo.com. applianceworks@yahoo.com. Okay, so I've got a bunch of these little bitty Dells. And what model is this thing? Oh, it's Optiplex SX 280. This is a 280, and got one down here which is a 745 Optiplex, and then this one, it's got Windows on it. They got 80 gig. Now this one's got a 40 gig hard drive. That one's 40 gig. And it's got a gig of RAM. This is a SX 260. Looks like, is that what it is? 280. And so I'm selling these if you need some parts, and just get a hold of me at Laptopsrepaired@yahoo.com. 707-445-1591.